दोस्तों आप सभी का स्वागत है आपके अपने YouTube चैनल टेक्निकल पटेल पे। दोस्तों आज का वीडियो काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट और इन्फॉर्मेटिव है। जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है कि दोस्तों इस चैनल पे आपको टेक्निकल टिप्स के साथ साथ एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया जाता है। तो इसके लिए इस चैनल को आप पहली बार देख रहे हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लीजिए ताकि मैं जो भी अपडेट के बारे में वीडियो बनाऊँगा उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलेगा और आप सबसे पहले देख सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं और जान सकते हैं। तो चलिए आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं।
We have to mention, this was mentioned twice. Your Lordship may give a, my Lords may give a fixed date so that I don't
give a fixed date.
My Lords. Deeply obliged.
51, I appear for the respondent state of Bihar.
I'm appearing for the petitioner lists.
Lord, one thing I would like to point to your Lordship. Lord, there is a 3 judges bench order by your Lordship. Where in fact, which is not produced in the petition. Lord, if your Lordships kindly have a look at this.
Let's kindly,
your Lordships before you start. Lord, your Lordships expressed a view. Please see, Lord, the order.
Can I have a copy?
Yeah, I'm just giving it to you. Lord, please see page 2. Page 2. Copies. Page 2. In fact, my Lord Justice Andhra Bose is a party to it. They should have placed. The present petition stands allowed in terms of prayers A, so and so. Now, please read the last line, Lord. This court expects the state of Bihar is not a party before this court is this petition. As such, we make no comment as regards notification issued by the state of Bihar, legality of which have been challenged in this written. But this court expects the state of Bihar shall take into account the judgment of this court delivered on 11th August. Now, Lord, 11th August judgment states you will not consider B.Ed candidates, only D.EL.Ed candidates. Accordingly, though the exam was conducted for everybody, Lord, we have now declared in view of your Lordship judgment the results for D.EL.Ed candidates, and we have appointed over 1 lakh candidates, out of which 62,000 have already joined for primary. So, state of Bihar has complied, Lord, in accordance with your Lordship judgment.
This is instructions. Let's may I now address.
Yes.
Lord, before my petitioner starts, I'm not for the respondent. Lord, this matter was listed before Justice Gopana. Justice Gopana sent it here. Lord, there are several other MAs, 4 MA for clarification, which were listed, if I may pass the order, before a bench of Justice J.K. Maheshwari, and they passed the order that this be listed before the same bench, which had passed the 11th.
What are the MAs for?
MAs are for clarification. Now, what has happened is, between 2018 and 2023, because your Lordship set aside the notification in 2023, which is of 2018, your Lordship said in the nothing about the middle. Now, in various states, various appointments of lakhs of teachers had been made, and various notifications issued, litigations also going on, processes completed, pending. So, what happens? Yes, 4, 5 MAs. But if I may just pass the order.
Matter pertains state of Bihar. Confined to state of Bihar. West Bengal is not concerned with
it. It can't be piecemeal. What I'm saying is because various states have come before your Lordship may have this order.
See, essentially now question is
prospective
whether those who are already appointed
yes
will be retained in service or their work.
Also late of Bihar.
also relates that the process.
State of Bihar, that main issue is whether
State of Bihar
B.Ed or D.EL candidates will be considered. That's all. Now, State of Bihar, pursuant to your Lordship's order of 11th August, and the
my learned friend is not pointing out that despite the judgment by your lordships, the state of Bihar minutes during the pendency and despite the orders allowed these appointments to continue, the process to continue.
When were they appointed?
The appointment, the date of advertisement minutes was 10th April and 30th of May minutes of this year. Thereafter, the exam was conducted by them, allowed to be participated by us after the judgment.
No, were they appointed after the judgment or before the judgment?
after the judgment
process
was but I tell your Lordships,
Let's kindly consider this.
Lord, the exam notification came in September.
19,000 persons had been appointed after the High Court judgment. High Court judgment was there minutes on it.
My lords,
This is the prayer in
Why are you?
I am raising.
Let us crystallize.
that's exactly.
I am raising three major aspects.
I'm exactly on Bihar only, but this is the point here.
Kindly
Lords,
let's
a
permit me.
judgment by which my lords held that it can only be D.EL.Ed and not B.Ed had struck down the NCTE notification, which was Rajasthan High Court, which was on 25th 11 2021. That's a
On the ground.
notification. Wait a minute. That's a pan-India notification because it was a institute notification. Now, once that notification was struck down, and my lords did not say that striking down, no state could have gone and acted upon it, much less Rajasthan, which was a party to this particular matter of the judgment which is pronounced.
Right now we are considering
Bihar. Lord, please see the prayer. Please see the prayer. Prayer will indicate
Bihar
everything.
was a party that it won't be.
But where's the question of Rajasthan? Who is for Rajasthan?
Bihar was the party.
Lord, please see Bihar, not prayer. Prayers in this.
My petition. Now let's kindly
This question is for Bihar.
Bihar, only Bihar.
Issue, because that issue came to be decided on 11th August 2023, and my lords will find in the judgment of this court one of the writ petitions before this court was arising out of state of Bihar.
That is why let the order that has been read out.
That has been complied with today.
Yes.
Therefore, any appointment date appropriately.
That cannot be done.
Yes.
Will not be.
Appointment can be
So, Lord, I tell you, Lord, not the examination notice. Examination question.
What we are going to possibly do, post judgment, no appointment of B.Ed.
Very good. That's right. That's right.
Pre-judgment, whether here we are concerned with post-judgment.
That's right. That's right. Correct.
Your lordship have already declared the advertisement invalid by the order by your lordship.
No.
Listen, please listen.
Post-judgment, here the prayers are for declaration of result. We cannot grant that in view of our judgment.
Absolutely.
Let's kindly permit me.
For those who are already appointed,
That's a different
their
matter altogether.
we'll examine.
That's not the issue here. That is not the issue here.
The issue is in certain matters.
Or even this matter.
No. It's not.
Well, not then.
This is Bengal. We are dealing with Bihar now.
There are five states. On the
We are not on that. We are right now confining our inquiry to
Bihar.
post-judgment
In Bihar.
appointment.
Yes.
The prayers can't be granted for the simple reason that after this judgment, this would not survive.
Correct.
May I now let everybody else except the petitioner has argued the case.
Okay, now who are you? Yes.
Let's. The ramifications of the judgment of this honorable court minutes are vast. The judgment has been rendered by this honorable court on the premise that the decision-making process resulting in the notification
Right
by the
now we can't sit on appeal over.
No, minutes. I'm not seeking.
You ask for review.
I'm not seeking mere lordship.
These reliefs cannot
be granted. There are aspects, minutes. Here. legitimate expectation, is a doctrine. Let's kindly permit me to complete. Kindly permit me to complete here.
Milord, one para kindly see for the same judgment, Milord.
I'll show the entire judgment.
Let's see the one side.
We are on this side or this side?
I am for the D.EL.Ed candidate, this side. This side.
You are appointed. Why are you worried? State is something.
You are appointed.
No, Milord. Your Lordship have declared the advertisement.
Why are you arguing, man? You are appointed.
Yeah.
The advertisement has gone. There is no charge.
Go into that issue. I am saying we are only complying with the judgment.
No, we are not saying. Only the petitioner will hear, no one else.
Let's kindly see.
State of BR, yes.
The advertisement was issued despite the judgment of the Honorable High Court of Judicature at Rajasthan, which was in appeal before your lordships. My rules entitle me for an appointment based on that advertisement. Let me complete, minutes. Let me complete.
There is no.
Let me complete the submission. What I am submitting.
Review of this judgment.
No, I am not challenging that judgment. For the reason.
That's what you are saying.
What I am saying is, the process which started.
No, there can't be any protection.
Let's kindly consider this. My advertisement, I participated in the advertisement
otherwise,
on the basis of the rules.
We'll dismiss the writ petition.
That's right. That's right.
Kindly permit me. Kindly permit.
Why have you come to Supreme Court?
Only two aspects. I have filed additional documents.
Not your lordship has record my statement that we have already complied with and declared the
let me complete it.
Yes.
I am not seeking your lordships to relook the judgment in the manner which amounts to sitting in appeal. Fine.
No, but in the manner, you don't look at it at all.
Yes, in this case, I have raised a very.
1 minute.
Let
Why are you arguing? Who are you for?
I am the intervener, Milord.
We are not permitting any intervener to argue.
No interventions.
This honorable court, being the apex court, having all the powers including Article 142, which I am invoking, in the peculiar facts and circumstances of the case, because right to education is a fundamental right created under Act of 2010. Simultaneously with that, what I am saying is this,
Don't stretch it too far.
No, the vacancies, number of vacancies, a right to education, confers a fundamental right on the pupils who are deprived because of the posts not being filled up. There are more than 30,000 posts.
State is saying they will fill all the posts.
The High Court of Judicature at Patna has said, after exhausting their appointment, if still the vacancies remain unfilled, the B.Ed persons can be given a chance. I take it further, on the basis of the policy decision, right in the year 2010, when this act was enacted, the national education policy was being formulated.
All that has no scope of argument.
For the reason, that policy matters, your lordships, do not interfere in the policy matters.
No,
the policy specifically says, the policy specifically says that slowly by the year 2030, D.EL.Ed would be abolished. There will not be any course.
There is a judgment of this court that D.EL.Ed would not.
That judgment, I am trying to impress upon your lordships that judgment does not take into consideration or does not. It does not take into consideration the aspect which deserve to be taken in this writ petition.
No.
On the ground,
You apply for review, we can examine.
Then kindly keep it pending.
No, don't keep it pending.
Kindly keep it pending so that the review has been filed by those persons also, which is pending as of now.
We'll see when it comes.
Kindly consider this. Only 2 minutes more.
So far, you have none of them are on.
Kindly see the rules on the basis of which
we have struck down the notification.
So the court these are rules, with all due respect, but the rules didn't fall for consideration. That's why I'm saying D was your lordship judgment. The rules in the state of Bihar mandate this as a criteria. We were eligible under the rules.
Only one petition. How many are changed?
The rules have not been set aside. The rules are still in force. State today says that it will implement your lordship.
I have challenged the rule. And
That's what that's what I'm saying. Today they have
Not a judgment of this court. We judge the judgment can be confronted with the rules of this case. The judgment
Kindly have it. All the cases on Friday, then along with those applications.
the rules say as per NCT. Once you have struck down the NCT notification, once then the direction D.EL.Ed will.
Plus, kindly see the rules for a minute. For a minute, will you
On
Page 433 minutes.
433.
Page 433 minutes.
Rules are categorical.
on 11th August 2023.
Milord, before that, Milord, I want to see my notes.
No.
Time to see, Milord, there is
No, you are in Patel, we are not permitting.
I say
On the writ goes, there are no interveners.
11th August 2023.
Let's kindly consider.
Coordinate bench.
Let's kindly consider permitting me to withdraw it to 30 to 5.
The order is
One of us.
please don't.
Patel only. Of which one of us was a party had delivered
May I withdraw it, please? May I withdraw it, please? So that
withdraw.
But again, it will be reopened elsewhere. I tell your lordship,
it is followed.
this matter came up
It is
before a
falling from your lordship. I am not saying this.
Conditional withdrawal.
It is falling from your lordships itself, ladies, that I can seek review of that judgment which is coming.
No, that's, we are not.
Lordship.
Now the
Ladies, others also can file review.
If we dismiss, we are not here to advise you.
No, I am not saying that. I am not saying
The way we
that.
dismiss,
The remedy of review ladies may not be taken away. The remedy of review ladies which is available to me in law ladies under Article 137.
not saying anything whether you can file it or not.
My lords, just
bench has delivered a judgment striking down the notification.
Let's then all right minutes I'll withdraw simpliciter minutes whatever
My
it
lord,
is.
what's happening here is that under different names, there are many
The advocate appearing
for
for the
one
petitioner
factor, then another somebody else will file the whole.
submits.
and you won't have an offer. Your lordship may say after arguing for a while, because I'll tell your lordship why. It came up before Justice Bopanna's bench and I pointed out this order. That is how it has been placed here.
After arguing for a while, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that his clients would not like to proceed with this writ petition. The writ petition is hence dismissed as withdrawn.
Obliged, grateful.
And application also
Dismiss all applications.
All convicted applications
disposed of according to.
shall stand disposed of in view of this.
I am grateful.
Obliged.
Who is appearing 52?
Wait, please.
Let's come with the SLP.
दोस्तों एक बार पुनः D.EL.Ed वाले साथी सुप्रीम कोर्ट से जीत गए और B.Ed वाले साथी को निराशा हाथ लगा है। तो जैसा कि आप सभी ने इस वीडियो में देख लिए होंगे।